Can a tablet really deliver the power of a gaming laptop? The Asus ROG Flow Z13 might just surprise you. From top-tier performance to an incredible display, let's see what makes this device a game-changer. The Asus ROG Flow Z13 is powered by the cutting-edge AMD Ryzen AI Max plus 395 processor, featuring 16 Zen 5 cores and 40 RDNA 3.5 compute units. This powerful combination delivers exceptional performance for gaming, content creation, and multitasking, ensuring smooth gameplay even in demanding titles. With up to 128 GB LPDDR5X RAM running at a blazing 8,000 MHz, the Flow Z13 offers lightning-fast data access and efficient multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or handling intensive workloads, this unified quad-channel memory ensures optimal performance without bottlenecks. The device comes with a 1TB M.2 NVIDIA PCI 4.0 SSD, offering fast read and write speeds. This ensures quicker game load times, faster data transfers, and ample storage space for large game libraries and creative projects. The 13.4-inch touchscreen ROG Nebula display delivers a stunning 2.5K 2560 by 1600 resolution with a 180 Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals. With a 16:10 aspect ratio, 500 nits brightness, and 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, this screen is perfect for both immersive gaming and vibrant creative work. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 with DXC coating, it's designed for durability and reduced glare. Equipped with a 70 watt-hours battery, the Flow Z13 offers up to 10+ hours of general use and approximately 90 minutes of intensive gaming. This makes it ideal for both on-the-go entertainment and longer creative sessions. For video calls, streaming, or content creation, the Flow Z13 includes a 5MP front-facing IR camera with Windows Hello support for secure logins, alongside a 13MP rear camera for capturing high-quality photos and videos. Running on Windows 11, the Flow Z13 offers a smooth and optimized interface with enhanced gaming performance, multitasking improvements, and access to Microsoft's latest features. The device boasts quad speakers, powered by smart amp technology and enhanced with Dolby Atmos for immersive sound. It also supports high-res audio for crystal-clear details and features two-way AI noise cancellation, ensuring clean audio during online calls, streaming, or competitive gaming. With its AI-powered assistant, the Flow Z13 introduces tools like Librarian for summarizing documents and transcription and summarization powered by the Whisper model. These features are processed locally with up to 70 billion parameters, providing fast and secure AI capabilities exclusive to AMD Ryzen AI 300 series devices. The Asus ROG Flow Z13 combines the power of a gaming laptop with the portability of a tablet, offering incredible performance, a stunning display, and innovative features. While it may not be the best choice for everyone, especially for long handheld gaming sessions, it's a versatile device perfect for gamers, creators, and anyone looking for a high-performance portable solution. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, the Flow Z13 is ready to handle it all. Is the Asus ROG Flow Z13 really the ultimate gaming tablet? Now that you know what it offers, would you choose this over a gaming laptop? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.